Hello and welcome to Digit.in. We have HyperX Alloy FPS Mechanical Gaming Keyboard on the desk, and this is the box containing the HyperX Alloy FPS Mechanical Gaming Keyboard from Kingston. The first thing that you see when you open the box is this very practical black mesh bag. This is designed to keep the keyboard safe and scratch-free. Additionally, you can use the bag to carry the keyboard around. There is also a pouch on one side, perfect for storing cables and other peripherals. Right below the bag is the keyboard in all its mechanical glory. You will notice that the WASD keys are red and are textured, same with the first 4 number keys. This is for better control and better experience. This is also in sharp contrast to the rest of the keyboard, which has a classy matte black finish. Once you lift the keyboard out of the box, you will notice that it is quite dense and heavy. This is because of the steel frame inside. So no, it's not all plastic. The keys have red backlighting only, and you have access to different backlighting modes. The intensity of the LEDs can be controlled by pressing down the function key and then pressing the directional keys. If you try typing, you will be able to feel the spring action. A lot of gamers prefer this over standard keyboards. If you are one of them, then definitely get this keyboard. Right below the keyboard, you will find 2 compartments. One is for the braided detachable mini USB cable. Yes, mini USB. The cable is almost a meter long. This will allow you to find the right distance between you and the monitor. On the other end of the cable, there are 2 standard USB ports, one for connecting to your computer and other for charging. In the second compartment, you will find textured keys. These are the copies of textured keys on the board and serves as a backup in case you lose the original ones. So there you have it. That was a quick look at what can you find in the HyperX Alloy FPS Mechanical Gaming Keyboard box. Thank you for watching.